Okay, back out here in the pile. So I'm now inside the fence and I'm looking right at the pile itself. So what I've done is I've dug out sort of the middle. And if you go ahead and put your hand down into the pile, you'll notice that it's warm. So it's metabolizing. There are microorganisms in there doing their thing. A couple do's and don'ts. One thing that I'm pretty happy about is I've cut up most of the materials. In here you can see there's a little bit of a egg carton, some paper that's in here. Here's some grapefruit peel. Not sure what that guy was, maybe from some squash. There's some onion and some parsley stems. This is kind of what you want to avoid. I've got a big old broccoli, so I'm going to take this back in the house and chop it up. So when it gets back out here, it's just going to turn into soil that much faster. Probably should have done a better job with my grapefruits, so I'll chop them up a little bit. And I'm really wanting here in the near future to get some kind of machine, just a grinder to give it a little more surface area. So next what I'm going to do is take from my dirt pile, and this is just leftover topsoil from landscaping and whatnot. The top crust is kind of frozen, but underneath there's that nice warm soil just from the geothermal action. So I'm going to go ahead and grab from my soil pile and build up here. I think what I'll probably do is try to build the edges of that just to keep it a little bit warmer. So that's step 3. I started out in the kitchen with my compost from the sink, came out here, showed you inside the gate, and now I've got it inside the pile. Last step is go ahead and bury it. So here we go.